Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can redeem Tesco vouchers. Now this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. So the first thing you want to do is actually head over to the Tesco clubcard website, and from here we can go up to the top where it says spend vouchers. Now if we click on this will bring this drop down, and we just want to select this button, how to spend your vouchers. And from here, this will show us all of the ways in which we can actually spend our vouchers. So from here, we just want to choose what we actually want to spend our vouchers on. So let's just say we wanted a day out or entertainment. We can click this one here and it will show us all the days out and entertainment options they have. So for example, here's the London Eye and it says turn every 50p in vouchers into £1 to use on thelastminute.com for the London Eye. So what this basically means is you'll be able to buy this for half price by using vouchers. But in order to redeem it, you will have to sign in. So all you have to do is sign in to add it to your basket. And from there, you can use your vouchers to buy whatever you want on this site. So that's how you can redeem your Tesco vouchers. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.